Mr. President.
Senator from Oklahoma.
Mr. President, on January the 18th, 2017, 2 days before President Obama left office, he finalized a rule and put it into place to require states, regardless of their decisions in their state, to require states to have to use Planned Parenthood, removing the decision-making from each state. Now, in the past, it had been very straightforward. States were allowed the opportunity to be able to examine who is the best decision maker to be able to help and the best provider of care in their community for Title X funding. For that family planning funding, when it occurs and when they go through the process, the states made the decision, looked at the providers, found out who the most comprehensive provider is, who can provide the best health care, and they made that final decision. President Obama, 2 days before he left office, finalized a rule to remove that right from states and to compel each state to be able to use Planned Parenthood. Now, states like mine and many other states said we wanted to do family planning in our state. We wanted to have comprehensive health care in our state, but did not want to provide federal funds to the single largest provider of abortion in the country. That was a reasonable decision that our state lawmakers could make to be able to protect the lives of women in our state and protect the lives of children for the future. That reasonable, common sense method was removed 2 days before President Obama left office. I'm proud to say that the House of Representatives and the Senate today voted to strike that rule from the last 2 days of President Obama's term to compel states to be able to use Planned Parenthood in their states, to be able to give the option back to states again. I look forward to President Trump signing that. I would remind the President of this one simple thing, though. This does not strike funding away from women's care. This doesn't take funding away from any of the family planning. This doesn't even force states to not use Planned Parenthood. It's a simple statement of where we used to be. States could choose to have Planned Parenthood as a part of their Title X funding or not. It is their choice. If some states want to do that, they may continue to do that. Other states should not be compelled to do that with taxpayer funds, though. That's the new status quo as soon as President Trump signs it, to be returned to a basic doctrine. States should not be compelled to have taxpayer funds used towards Planned Parenthood Title X funding. I'm proud that this Senate just passed it. It is a reasonable act for us to be able to do, and I look forward to the President's signature. With that, I yield the floor.
Mr. President.